4-4. It's lesson 4. We're going to divide decimals by decimals. And if you remember, this is one whole that's broke down into tenths and hundredths. And here's my one whole, but I've split it up into 10 tenths. And I want to do this problem right here. 1 5/10 divided by 3/10. So I needed to get my 1 5/10. So look back here, Allison, now at this. This is one whole, and then we have our 5/10. And I want to break it into 3/10. So I can split up my one whole, and I have 15 tenths altogether, because there was 10 plus 5, it's 15. So out of my 15 tenths, I need to put them into groups of 3 and see how many groups of 3 I have. There's one group of 3, 2 groups of 3s. Okay, so there's my groups of 3. How many groups of 3 do I have? That'll be my answer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1 5/10 divided by 3/10 is 5. We're going to divide 4/10 by 5/100ths, 5/100ths. And here's how we're going to show that with models. I have my 4/10, and I've cut those tenths into the 10/100ths that they are. And I'm going to take all of these, which should be 40 altogether, 40 little hundredths, and I'm going to put them into groups of hundredths, 5/100ths. 3, 4, 5. There's one group of 5/100ths, and there's another one. 2, 3, 4. Here's 5/100ths, and there's another. There's 5/100ths, and here's another. So how many groups of 5/100ths do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 4/10 divided by 5/100ths equals 8. We need to know our math vocabulary. I've replaced the numbers with the words. Dividend divided by divisor equals quotient. Where we have to put it into our long division box, we put the dividend inside the box, we put the divisor outside the box. That's what we're dividing by. It has to be a whole number. And then the quotient is our answer that goes on top. So, dividend divided by divisor equals quotient. Divisor goes on the outside. That's what we're dividing by. Dividend goes in the middle. Now, we cannot divide by a decimal number, so we need to change this to a whole number. When I move it over 2 places, mentally I'm multiplying by 100. Mentally I'm going to multiply by 100 here. Move this one over 2 places. There's 1 place, there's 2 places. There's my decimal. I need to fill in this position. Now I bring the decimal straight up. I ignore that one and I ignore this one. Those aren't decimals, these are. Then I see how many times will 5 go into 40? 8 times. That's it.